Carl's car uses a gallon of gas every 35 miles, and his gas tank holds 14 gallons when it is full. One day, Carl started with a full tank of gas, drove 350 miles, bought 8 gallons of gas, and continued driving to his destination. When he arrived, his gas tank was half full. How many miles did Carl drive that day? So, important information that we need here. So he had a full tank, he drove 350 miles, bought 8 gallons, then continued driving to the destination. So first we can find out how many miles he can drive on a full tank. And to find that out, if he drives 35 miles and full tank holds 14 gallons, then a full tank is going to be, you multiply miles by gallons. And so he can do 490 miles on a full tank. Okay. And so then that means that when he arrived at his destination, the gas tank being half full, that's just 490 over 2, which is 245. So the process here is starts initially on a full tank. He goes 490. He drives 350 miles, so minus 350. Now he's at 140. And then he goes and he gets 8 gallons of gas. And so the number of miles that he can then possibly drive on that is going to be plus 8 times 35, which is 280. So plus 280. So 140 plus 280 is 420. And then he goes and drives 245. So at these different moments, this is how many miles he can drive on his tank at these current moments. So here's the start. This is after he drove 350 miles. So we want to find how many miles did Carl drive that day. So 350 miles is going to be in the count. And then, so he fills up the tank here. And then to go from here to here, he could drive 420 possible miles. And to get to 245 miles on the tank, we just do 420 minus 245. And so we get that he drove, the difference here is 175 miles from there to there. So the total miles driven are this 350 plus 175. So 350 plus 175. Total miles driven is 525 miles. So the answer is choice A.